Hello. Oh, I just wanted to at least touch base and say that my mindscaping session that I had on with procrastination was wonderful. It was about a week ago. Actually more than a week ago. It's been a week and a day. Yeah, a week and a day since I've had it, and I gotta say that I've just been felt a lot better about myself and just being able to go around and not feel all the weight of all those daunting tasks that I had to do, and for myself and for just responsibilities and everything. Beforehand, it was really, really hard. I would just spend time constantly thinking about all the things that I have to do and thinking about all the things that I should be doing for my own help and my own benefit, like watch all those awesome videos just for self-improvement on a certain website. But it also was just really difficult for me to just find the will to do it. It just wasn't pleasing to try to get all these things that I should be doing for myself done. But taking the mindscaping course session, not, it wasn't a course, but it's a session, was super, super wonderful, because afterwards I just felt so much at ease. Like, at this point in time, yeah, I'm not going around and taking everything, by stride and getting it all done, one thing after the other. I'm pacing myself. I'm taking time to breathe and also to have the energy and the desire to do what I need to do and what I want to do. And for me, that's what I needed for my mindscaping. And that's the best thing about it, is that it's very personal. It helps you figure out how you can do things to just make your life better. And I say that is wonderful, and it's also really helpful. It's better than anything else you can do, in my personal opinion. Granted, I've tried counseling. I still am doing counseling. Counseling's helpful. I've done psychic readings, which, in all honesty, it gave me way more to think about and to try to consciously change. And it honestly wasn't. It's just not as fast of a turnaround. I've never had a feeling like this after the mindscaping session. So, like, I'd spent so much freaking money, like, to having paying $6 to $8 or so just for a minute, per minute, and speaking to some of these people, just to have them try to tell you something that kind of is just like general life counseling stuff. And it just gives you more to think on. And it wasn't all that great. And then I try to save up money to try to spend it on other people or other psychics. Hopefully they can help me more. And it's interesting at times, yes, but it's just not as fast of a turnaround. If you want to be able to go further, go beyond your conscious mind, I would say absolutely try mindscaping. It is phenomenal, but that's just my personal testimony. So I hope everything you do works out for you, no matter who you are, as long as you level up in the end. You're all good. Take care.